My dear students, so what I am saying, uh, we will we will discuss more about maths, and we already completed a Zoom meeting, and nearly 16 or 15 students attended, and remaining 10 students, and I don't have any idea about remaining 10 students, and not at responded for my queries. So let's see. My duty is to finish the works for your examination. So kindly cooperate. Okay. Anyway, welcome to my class, and I would like to communicate so many things related to maps, cartography, and the modern trends. And I already explained so many things that is very much relevant for map. And today we were discussed a few things that is little things connected with maps. And I said I will finish one video that is connected with the types of map, and I already said one more video that is the components or elements of map. So this is a map very recently myself finished for some research purpose, and for understanding the what different elements of this map. I'm using my own maps for this purpose. See, for this I already said there are important elements such as title, subtitle, then north arrow, then scale, then legend, then grid. There are many elements I already said about you about these elements of map. So let me use the uh, what tools to show you which one is very relevant for you people. So I already said there is a title of the map. So this one is the title of the map: Kerala COVID-19 outbreak. That is the major title. See, only if there is no title, it is what it is not at all. We can't understand what this map is using, right? So these are the I just using a a simple color for that color variant for this title and subtitle. So next one is the subtitle. The title means nothing. What it represent? A map represent what? That is the title of the map. So the first one is title of the map. Then there is a subtitle. See, in this map there is a small issue. See, when I am creating this map, I just created the title and subtitle in a single window, and you can't easily understand what is the difference between the subtitle and the title. So here I am again dividing the subtitle. So these are the subtitle: expected spatial pattern, inspired from Dr. Snow's cholera map. These are the title and subtitle. Fine. These are the title and subtitle. Fine. So subtitle is it's a very brief description about the map. Fine. So title and subtitle. So the next important thing is, see, let me scroll down. The scale. Fine. I already said 1 centimeter on the map represent 1 kilometer on the ground. So these are the scale. See, let me use that See, sorry, I will use this. See, these are the scale. I will explain a small video regarding this scale and how the scale is important for you. How the sorry, not for you. What that scale is relevant for the map. Without this map, without the scale, you can't measure the measure the distance on the ground, and you can't understand the what the connection on the reality and virtual reality. Fine. So three important factors we already discussed. So one is fine. One is title. Second one is subtitle, and the third one is scale. I already said it is something the connection between reality and virtual reality. What is in ground and on the map, ground on the ground and on the map. So the next one is let me see what we said. Subtitle and scale. Then I said something grid. See, this is I will show you the grid, the position of grid. See, these are the grid. Fine. Let me use some what. See, I just I just use I just remove the grid lines. See, these are the grid lines. These are the representation of what is that? Representation of latitude and longitude. See, these are the grid. Fine. These are the grid. See, these are the grid. It's explaining the latitude and longitude. It shows the latitude and longitude. Oh my God, it's creating some issues. Let me see. Yes. Wait. I will show you the grid. Okay. See, these are the grid. Fine. Grid. See, if we are drawing like this, see, from you can draw like this. The grid will move like this. Fine. The grid will move like this, not straight lines. Fine. The latitude and longitude. See, it will go like this. Fine. So that is the grid system for understanding the location and time of the map. So we already discussed these things. What you mean by latitude? What you mean by longitude? See, latitude is the line that is virtual lines that is using for finding the location, and longitude is the line that is used to find the time of a place. Fine. See, if we are creating a map based on our information, means if you are creating a map on our place, it is not necessary to use this grid. But as per the norms, there is a association called the International Cartographic Association. As per the norms, you must use a grid system. Then next one is I already said it is not much important, but these are the north arrow and the north arrow, the orientation of the map. Is the orientation of the map. So what we had said: title, subtitle, scale, grid system, and the north arrow. See, now the association, the International Cartographic Association's norm, all the maps are oriented towards north. So the north arrow is not a must. North arrow is not at all must, but to represent something relevant, we are using the north arrow. Fine. Wait. Next important thing, what is that? Yes. Wait. That is legend. Fine. Let me see legend. Oh my gosh. It is something. Okay. See, these are the legend. It represent. See what. In which color? See, this is a map representing the corona outbreak of the expected spatial pattern. See, it is something different colors. What this color means? Fine. This color, see, it shows the intensity. Which one is the intense area, and which are the less important area, means the spread. It's something, it is based on some scientific and statistical method. This one is prepared based on the scientific and statistical method. These are the legend. See, you just go through the map, fine. Just go through the map. You can see the legend, fine. Different colors represent different different factors. Different color represent different pattern. So these are the most important components: title, subtitle, grid system, scale, legend, and north arrow. So this is my short video. Kindly watch the video and express your opinion, and you can always ask your doubts in the YouTube comments, and definitely I will answer for your questions. Fine. So elements or components of the map. Please watch the video and kindly share your opinion. Thank you. Thank you very much.